Haven't checked out Cutsforth's latest webinar on predictive monitoring in pulp and paper yet? Here are the 5 things you need to know. 1. Motors eat up nearly a third of all industrial power, and they're one of the biggest sources of unplanned downtime in pulp and paper plants.
About 29% of the total grid load is consumed by industrial 3-phase motors.
2. Vibration monitoring only tells part of the story, and it's missing over a third of motor failures entirely.
41% of the motor failures were due to bearings, but 37% of the motor failures came from the stator side of the motor.
3. The fix is a multi-physics approach, combining vibration, electrical, infrared, and process data to get the full picture of what's actually going on.
Overlaying multiple monitoring technologies onto a motor can help you to hone in on exactly what failure is happening, how it's developing, how it's trending, and how urgent of a problem it is.
4. Online monitoring catches failures that offline testing just flat out misses, like broken rotor bars that only show up under the right load conditions.
You wouldn't find that just doing offline electrical analysis, and broken rotor bars don't always show up in vibration analysis either, but you can find them doing online electrical analysis on a continuous basis.
5. This approach doesn't just find problems, it actually improves your maintenance programs. Real customers found gaps in their greasing routines and fixed them, and the data proved it worked.
After they corrected all those gaps in their planned maintenance program, we can see here the vibrations are much lower, and you can actually see just after the May 2025 date on the graphs here, when they would go and actually apply grease, they would see the vibrations drop off.
That's what Cutsforth packed into their webinar on predictive monitoring for pulp and paper, and there's a ton more where that came from. Go check out the full thing.